umshado wami yola la kulama bright colors lawa kwakusamnandi before umshado kwaba mnandi futhi nakuwona umshado kwaqala nganoma noma kwakushake umhlaba yini noma kwenzakalani mhlambe sesike la ku number 1 mhlambe number 3 2 and 3
okay
la ila kwaseqala khona ke manje sekhulunywe indaba zeingane eziningi sekhuluma indaba nezitori nje engazizwa kahle la kuhlangana nanempilo ke manje waphinda kwashintsha ikwangathi kuba mnyama la uba mnyama kwala kwakungazuthi angeke asaphila ukugula kwakhe eish wangenza ngabona ukuthi ha cishe ngamluza futhi ngokufa ke manje and ukuluza umuntu ngokufa akukho kwakuhlangana ndawo.
If I may ask, how have you navigated the dark times?
Mina ngiyayi-accepta into bese ngibheka ezosebenzelana nami. Eyami therapy ngisho ukuthi mina angaze ngize nakuwena angaze ngize i2 ukuthandaza ukukhala ukudla. Yes ngizoya koyidlela ngidlela ushukela wami bese ngiba right ngisithandaza ngisikhulume noJehova waphethe. And
please like and comment and subscribe to the video, guys. As a viewer, I have picked up from season 1 the changes in the wives and Mselegu's appearance. I mean, Umacele just voiced out that she copes by prayer, by crying, and by eating, of which we in Kenya is a problem because it will later cause problems like sugar diabetes and all of these illnesses out there. I mean, Umselegu just had a stroke, and now he suffers from health issues that were caused by stress. So healthy relationships are really important, guys, and we need to prioritize on them. Also, when Umacele said the thought of losing Umselegu through death scared her, she touched me, Shem. It shows that she really loves this man. Guys, please like the video, please subscribe to the channel, and please comment down below.